Hello guys. Today I'm going to say first chapter reading B, the town child and the country child, glossary and question answers. If you not seen my explaining of reading B, you can see in my description link. Let us begin. First one, glossary. Feet, people who walk in streets. Tram, an electric vehicle that transport people in cities. Meadows, a field with grass and often wildflowers. Castle, a large, strong building. Lens, a narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Twinkling, shining strongly and then weakly. Glossary is completed. Next, answer the following questions. First one, where does the town child want to live? Answer, the town child want to live in a village. The town Second one, why is there smoke in the town? So they are asking why in the town smoke is there everywhere. Answer, a number of buses, cars and trams release smoke in town. Third one, there is one thing that the town child love. What is it? So the town child love, answer, the one and only thing that the town child love in the town is the sky above. Fourth one, there is no one to play with at all. This sentence meaning A. There are no peoples in village. B. There are no players in village. C. The villages have lesser population than the town. The answer is C. Fifth one, what is the wish of the country child? Answer, the country child wish to live in a town. He wants crowded streets, company of players and lighting. Wants crowded. Sixth one, which child is able to watch meadows and lambs? Answer, the country child is able to watch meadows and lambs. Seventh one, why are the lanes in the country so quiet? Answer, the lanes of the country are quiet as there is lesser population and no traffic. Eighth one, why are night colorful in town? Night, answer, night are colorful in town because as they are passing vehicles and decorative lights.